and now I'm standing on Sweden's highest public road, 975 meter. As you can see, you have this low mountain here. It's amazing place to go to. One animal you see a lot of here, that's the reindeer. We have a lot of Same people here, and they are putting their reindeer for eating up here in the Fjäll. Flatruet Road was opened in July 31, 1938, so it has been a road since then.
This sign is usually blinking during the winter time. It says, with blinking light, Flatruet Road is closed. So you can't go here during the winter time. Yeah, some winter you can go here, but it depends on how much snow it is. But usually this road is closed during the winter time. It's a lot of snow on this road during the winter because of the flat mountain that the road is going across.
And before Flatruet, just below the mountain, you have a store there. You can buy reindeer meat and other stuff and other things. So that's also one thing I recommend. Smoked reindeer meat. That's delicious.
Reindeer meat, 30 euro kilo. That's worth it. This is going to be a great dinner. And after m.o.s, you turn left here to Flatruet.
Oh, I really love to go on this road. Flatruet is the highest road, or I must say it's the highest public road in Sweden. I think it's like 975 meters over sea level.
And now I'm standing on Sweden's highest public road, 975 meter. As you can see, you have this low mountain here. It's amazing, amazing place to go to. We call it Fjäll in Swedish. And this is the absolute highest point of the road. And then around this area you have amazing mountains like Sylarna and Helags. Can be really windy up here and storming. I'm lucky I have my car today because I'm going to sleep here. I always sleep on this mountain when I'm coming with my car. I love it. It's so quiet with people here and in the nature. And you see here the reindeers are everywhere. It's amazing up here. Feels so relaxed and calm. And people who visit this place write the name on the stones here. Maybe the Swedish Globetrotter would do the same. This road is a crossroad to many hiking trips that people do. Flatruet road is a shortcut between two communities called Härjedalen and Ljungdalen. And during the winter time they usually close this road, especially in the winter nights they close this road. But in the spring, summer and autumn it's amazing. Up here it's perfect place to tent and camp with your caravan. You don't see so much people here, so stay up here, it's really lonely. But one animal you see a lot of here, that's the reindeer. We have a lot of Same people here and they are putting their reindeer for eating up here in the Fjäll.
3 villages in this commune is Same villages. And the Same people is the owner of these reindeers you see up here. Of these reindeers, and it's over 16,000 of them up here in this commune. So you see a lot of them when you're out here in this amazing Härjedalen.